Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Price of Patience. Welcome back to the channel. I hope I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing amazing. Friday. Let's finish this week on a good note. Um, what do we have happening? What has happened? Sorry for my English. Is Englishing a little bit slower today. It's end of the week. We've been grinding last couple of days. But yeah, and Q, let's start from where? Let me close few tabs here. We don't need to watch gold dripping. Do we need to wait? I will leave BTC for now, but so I'm on 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hours quickly. Maybe let's start for a weekly. Let's start from weekly candle, weekly time frame. I realized that TradingView all of a sudden fixed my weekly time frame issue that I had. Like it says now it's working. For some reason it was not working. That was maybe because of I was on the iPad. I'm not sure, but it's working now. So looks right. Okay, let me remove these things. We have our zones that we marked on 4 hour, 1 hour time frames, and we can see how nicely they fit into in a weekly time frame, which is interesting. Yeah, but weekly has been, it had this huge move up. Then we ranged, and we failed. We failed to make new all-time high. Now we are coming down. We were expecting earlier this week continuation higher, but then once we took the previous week low and came up again and rejected. I'm not sure. To be honest. I was expecting lower than this price action. We mentioned yesterday and the day before, like 29,300. It's very possible. But it seems like NQ wants to drop a little bit more. Daily time frame. I mean, I guess right now we can look at this two different ways. We can still look at this like a bullish thing where we go, where we went higher, we came down, we actually chopped lower here. We did not come like straight down. Now we grabbed a bunch of liquidity here and we came to the top of this range that we had. Fake breakout, came down all the way down to the bottom of the range, and now we can look. I guess we are in the middle of nowhere. This can be a lower high, right? And we can maybe go down lower, like below 27,000. That's one scenario. That would be a bearish scenario. Or we can look at this like some kind of break of structure after the bounce. Let's say we broke the structure. Personally, I would prefer that we broke this high, like 30,500. Would be cleaner, at least on a daily. But we can say, okay, we kind of broke structure here. We closed even 2 candles above this range high, and now we are coming down to make potentially higher low, and then we can continue. So this is basically middle of nowhere on a weekly and daily. We have to go into a lower time frames to see some kind of structure. What I'm not fan of is that SMA, like 9 EMA and 14 SMA, are actually they crossed to the downside on a daily. We had a nice trigger wave also on market cipher B on a daily, so doesn't look too promising right now. It looks like a little bit more of consolidation is about to happen. We might range here. We don't need to necessarily dump into 27,000, but I'm not sure we're gonna just bounce like crazy. Let's go to 6 hours quickly. No bull divs. Market structure wise, this looks like a potential bottom forming, but no bull divs. RSIs spread apart, coming down. So, well, only bull divs that I see is with on a VWAP oscillator here on this yellow thing, which usually can also indicate that bottom is close, not quite there yet, but close. Let's check the 4 hours. Well, 4 hours looks much better. Well, the difference between 4 hours and 6 hour time frame is enormous. If you look at market cipher B. I said here, this was, what is this, Monday, I believe, Thursday, no, that was last week, or Monday. I don't remember when I said it, was it last week or Monday? I believe Monday, that up here on this, now in hindsight, fake breakout, we had these bear divs on 4 hours and 1 hour. And I said, if we weren't at this huge volume node that we had below us, I would say we are coming down. But since we had this huge volume node, I was like, okay, we're gonna push higher, which did not happen, and we came down to the zone that we have marked. And right now we are doing opposite thing, sort of opposite thing. We have lower lows on the price section. We have equal lows on the oscillator. So that is a bull div technically. What may happen is that we chop a little bit more, maybe take this low again and form another nice higher low on the oscillator, which will confirm the bull div, and then we can run. Gonna go to 1 hour now quickly. Money flow is curving to the upside. That's nice. We have lower lows on the price section, higher high on the bull divs on 1 hour. Only thing I don't like, so 1 hour is a little bit more bullish than 4 hours, but this VWAP oscillator, again, this yellow thing is curving to the downside, which goes with what I said, that we might come down a little bit more, maybe take the low, and if that holds, and then on 4 hours, if we form a nice another like leg of the bull divs, it might be the bottom. If this low does not hold, then I believe 28,600s are next, right? Our next zone here, because if we turn back the local uptrend, I believe, here we go, if we pull the volume from the low that we established on 29th of July all the way to the high, we can see that we are already in the low volume zone. There was no volume on this whole move up. There is no volume, and as Donovan already said several times, and we saw it happen many times, once we are in the low volume zone, price tend to get just quickly, it quickly fills this low volume zone. So let's see, we have the value area low here took from this uptrend. I'm not sure if only the value area low can hold the price. It doesn't. I'm not sure. But if you go to the downtrend price action, like this whole downtrend, we also see that this is the end of this huge volume node actually, and then the volume is coming down, and the value area low of that volume profile is exactly in the zone that I just mentioned, 28,700 to 500, so this 200 points zone. And if we just take a look at macro, so from the April low to the current price action, pretty much the same story. This was the huge volume node that we just came down through, like it's not here, it's not there, which is pretty interesting. And the value area low is again around the same zone. So now I complicated a little bit, I think, but bottom line is we have to bounce from here. If we don't bounce from here where we are around this zone, we're gonna to go down to 600. Let me just say one more thing on 30 minutes. I was saying around here the 30 minutes on market cipher, this was 30 minutes, 15 minutes looked very nicely for a push up, like curvature on the momentum waves, curvature on the money flow, RSI is low, getting ready to push up, but we can see with this push up RSIs were spread apart, which usually indicates like a less stronger move. And now on our way down, RSIs are together, which means that the move lower, the move down was much stronger than this consolidation or potential move up. I would be careful. We have bull divs on 1 hour, we have bulls on 30 minutes too, with a nice curvature on money flow. Even the money flow on 30 minutes it has bull divs, which is it's a good sign. It's a definitely good sign. But I wouldn't just long here blindly. There are, you know, bull divs, bull divs, bull divs, but considering the price action and how sharp we came down, how sharp of a move this was, and that we are in the low volume zone, I would need to wait some kind of confirmation that in it can be like a lower, higher low here, and then bounce, or just a bounce with a higher high, then wait for a higher low, whatever. But I need price action to show me that it wants to go higher. 15 minute, 5 minute, I have nothing to say. We are consolidating here since yesterday. 5 minute looks like it wants to come down. Money flow down, RSI is nice curvature to the downside. We are just forming we just confirmed the red dot. I think we are about to come down at least to the bottom of this range, like 250s, maybe 280s, something like that. But let's see. Okay, that was a long one. Do you have something to, or what do you have to say? What was your observations? Let me.
If we don't break out to the upside, with that, because we're kind of making like an upwards trend line, because the way, so like right, we're on your screen now, like on the 5 minute, right? You can
Okay, wait,
see,
let me go back to my screen there because I switched to you. Okay, 5 minute, yeah. This one, right? Let's go.
you can see the trend line that we just broke out of. Come on, come on. Yeah, so there's kind of this trend line on the higher time frame that we broke out of. We were coming down, we kept touching it, and then coming down and touching
Okay,
it.
now I see what you
Okay.
mean. Okay, okay, okay.
See? And then
Okay.
we broke out of it. So this is the bulls trying to take back a trend. They're trying to make a bull trend, but they didn't really go anywhere in
True,
comparison to where bears went, right?
true.
So it's an obvious sign of weakness. And
Yeah.
I think that right here, this cluster of consolidation where price had a lot of trouble, this is gonna be our top. And I think we just came to the middle of this range. It might be all that we need. We just kind of tapped the middle of that range with the high of the session, and now I think we're going to continue down. We're making this ugly flag. It's really just a big consolidation
Mm-hmm.
where the Bulls tried to take control. I don't think that they accomplished that, or else we would see a lot more candles like this solid green candle here. We got very few of those. We got them coming from the lows. So there's a lot of bulls interested at this price level, which, message, if you're paying attention, definitely keep an eye out, because once we get past that 29,230 area, if we can get past that, that's when we're going to go to the 28.8s. And we've been talking about the 28.8s for a little while.
Mm-hmm.
I think that that's kind of what's next for everything. If you look at the 15 minute, we're starting to get bearish momentum on the MACD. I'm seeing, let me see if I see any obvious divs. Yeah, so I'm seeing bear divs. I
Mm,
see bear divs on the 15, you know. So like if you look at the MACD, you're seeing like, okay, we got these highs right here where we broke from those lows. All right. And then we made a higher high on the chart right
sure,
here,
interesting. Very
you know, but
interesting.
there's no higher high on the MACD. I mean,
Yeah.
technically there is, but it's a noticeable difference,
Yeah,
right? And
but
then
15 minutes looks much more bearish than on MACD, for example, than I would say market cipher B.
yeah, because I noticed the market cipher was saying money's going up, money's
Yep,
coming in,
yep,
because there's
yep,
probably people who, I
yep.
mean, there are stocks that are at good prices, and a lot of them are crypto stocks, right? So I
Mm,
think that we could see people buying something, but generally, is the market going to go up? Is there enough going on for that? I don't think so. I think that most of our volume is sellers right now. So we're seeing, yeah, I think we're going to see this top out. And then you see we got an even higher high. And what do we get here? A lower high on the MACD, right?
yeah,
And now we're just breaking down. We're
but
breaking
look,
down. The MA is overprice action too. Yeah,
yeah,
good.
even the volume, even the volume is telling you that. But okay, this oh my God, I think it's affected by the session too. So because we are watching
Yeah,
that the volume goes from New York to Asia, so okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
you know, Asia, it takes less to move the needle. So,
Yeah, true. But
mhm.
what might happen now when we said like all this bearishness after we've been bullish, okay, we have a zone underneath us that it's very possible to get hit, but also considering how bullish 15 and 30 minutes and 1 hour looks on market cipher, and then we have 4 hours time frame that it's not completely set yet, like it's not completely ready to go. We also might come down, and we are coming down on these lower time frames right now. We might come down, just confirm the bottom here, make another trigger wave or something. We let MACD and RSIs to reset, and we can go. So this is definitely a potentially, just potentially, bottoming zone and beginning of a bottoming pattern. Uh, but then if I, oh my God, if I take a look at 2 hours, this is a perfect rejection from the 9 EMA with a very
Yeah,
bearish
I'm
candle.
currently, yeah,
This is what evening star or shooting star or what is it, but it rejected perfectly, and it looks like it wants to come lower.
absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm currently looking for another entry. I did catch the top of this last 15-minute candle. I had a
let's
short
go.
from Uh, 29,372 down to 29 like 339. So it went a lot lower, but I'm waiting for it to come back up to the 90 EMA, and I think that that's where sellers are going to take their stand, and I am going to be one of them when we get there. So looking to short this. I'm going to set somewhat of an aggressive. I'm going to set a conservative entry above the 9 EMA. I'm going to enter aggressively when we even get close to the 9 EMA. Yeah, we'll do it like that.
You mean 9 on 5 minutes, right?
I'm on the 15-minute actually,
You're
so
still on the 15. Okay, okay. Oh,
yeah.
okay, we might come back up, yeah. Maybe. We just had this cross to the downside, so let's see. Morning, Randall. Morning. Oh, we have a special guest for you today. He's
Wait,
gonna, he or she, you never know. It's gonna,
surprise.
supply. It's gonna come a little bit later, but yeah. Supplies. Uh, mm, mm, mm. I'm still on my paper trading account, and yesterday that short that finally happened after the stream, We've been waiting for it at the stream, like for how long? And then we finally
Hmm.
came down. I made quite nice amount. So I'm up. I started with 5K because I want to simulate like with a live account. Then of course I went a little bit heavier than I would on the real live account.
Hmm.
But I'm up 2600, so more over 50%.
That's dope.
That's dope, but I have a feeling it's not realistic. Uh, Although who knows with me? I mean, no, I probably wouldn't risk that much on a 5K account, right? It would be just stupid.
Mm. On a 5K, that's a lot.
Yeah,
That's a
it
lot.
is around like 1300, I think.
I mean, it's not too different than, I mean, it is probably not good risk management. I mean, we can agree on that, but I mean, I've started an account with like, maybe a couple $100 and risked
Yeah, and
$100.
then you have to, yeah, I agree. You have to be much more aggressive,
Mm-hmm.
right? Yeah.
So it depends on your goals, and I mean, you only have to be right once. That's
Uh,
it. When
that
you
is
when you
true.
when you bet big,
Yeah,
you know,
that is true.
it's all in the perfect world. We'll see what that looks like. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, we're waiting to see. I just need this thing to make its way to the 90 MA and let me back in because I'm trying to get in twice, but the buyers are struggling, bro. But when they push through, they're probably gonna push to the I'd like to see them push to no, they can't get that high. Yeah, just this little area I'm at around 50, around 350. They shouldn't do too much more than that. Man, Claude is going crazy.
What is
I
happening?
got him.
I haven't actually. I cannot.
I got him working like a slave right now. Sorry about that, bro. I mean, you're gonna be all right though. Claude's been at it all day. He was at it while I was sleeping. I woke up and he was 6 hours in nonstop doing his thing and making it happen.
Okay, supercharge your spreadsheets with Claude in Excel. Whoa, okay. You can put Claude in Excel. Nice, free. Okay, Apple finally uh canceled my subscription. Yeah, bro. Imagine this. Apple wanted to charge me 150 euros for a max plan, right? 5 times, 5x plan. Claude wants to charge me 90 plus VAT, which will be like what, 25%. So that's 45 and a half, 22, 22 and 90 is what, 115 euros, so 45 euros, like 50, 55 bucks more Apple is charging. Are you crazy?
Yep, that sounds about right. That's how it is over here too. So a regular Claude high subscription's like $200, and then if you get it through Apple, 250. Or I mean, not regular. That's the highest subscription you can buy,
Yeah,
right? The
I see.
max,
For me,
max
it's
20.
yeah, 180 euros plus VAT, 228. Okay, not bad. But it's still more. How you said you are paying what, 200 bucks for 20x?
200 a month. Yep, for
Crazy.
20x. Yep.
Freaking VAT. Okay, it's time to turn on the VPN.
Yeah. Anyway, gonna do it because for some reason in here in America, they're yeah, I don't know. Anthropic made a deal at the White House, and
Mm,
Trump's like, I want you to make sure Americans have access to the best of the best of the best, sir. Pretty sure it went something like that.
something like that. Yeah.
Hmm.
What's Bitcoin been doing? Wow, Bitcoin pushed like crazy. It's giving me FOMO, if I'm honest. That's not the way to go.
Oh yeah.
It's giving me something because you're like, oh no, it's fine, like we are at the 60s, high 50s. Oh, we are good, we're
Yeah, boom,
65. And
75.
all of a sudden 75. Like what the heck, like 10,000. But this will definitely be, it will definitely pull back. This is not a healthy move. This is not how it goes usually. So I guess this 80k to 60k range is not, it's not done yet.
Yeah, not there yet.
I don't think
It's
so.
going. It's pretty amazing how fast it's moving on.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And we haven't seen this kind of a weekly candle like in quite some time, like since the bull market, basically since April 25. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it was about a week ago. We're talking about Bitcoin coming down even more, and then boom, look at it going the wrong way, Bitcoin.
No, but I think we can still come up.
It's
We should
possible for sure.
we should come a little bit. I mean, could doesn't count in this game, but
That's how most bull markets start, right? When you think it's
it should
going
come.
lower.
Yeah, true.
But hey, I'm a believer. I think that we're going to see the lows in September. So
Yeah,
we've gotten little random bounces
yeah,
before, and then just
yeah.
it fades, right? So now everyone FOMOs and they're going to sell to everyone. And yeah, don't be a FOMOer.
Yeah. Don't do it.
Actually, MicroStrategy shorts don't sound bad. I'm probably going to map that out.
No.
Probably going to map it.
Well, I don't know. Where is MicroStrategy? Let's see. Let me check.
They just,
Trade. Stock. I had a level at 110 and it felt like it's MSFT, right? No, that's Microsoft. MSTR. There we go. Well, okay. Low was 86. Oof. And I was like, when it pushed, I was like, oh my god, I just want to see 110 again. I was right, but boy, it dropped. And it dropped below the very key zone. It held though, it held. Now it's trying to push back up. 117 overnight, wow. Well, definitely not. This is for me not a bad place to acquire some MicroStrategy, even leaps,
oh, yeah.
or just shares. I mean.
Yeah, shares were good. Anything around $100 was great.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, meanwhile, we're just over here watching wild stuff going on, with the war and oil and gold and silver. I mean, what's going on with let me take a look at the chart here for a couple things. Let's start off with a little bit of MSTR strategy and see what that's looking like. Okay, yeah, we just broke out from 91 to 117. Big break. Big break. But you think about the way it moved, right? Proportionate to the way Bitcoin moved. And I don't know if the math is mathing, right? Because MicroStrategy, when you go back, the high of Bitcoin was like 120,000, right? But
Yeah,
MicroStrategy's high is 439. So
yeah.
Bitcoin going up 10K only moved MicroStrategy $20. Yeah, I don't know how the math is mathing there.
Let me
So how
check.
does
And
a company like
from
MicroStrategy survive?
this move, this is 36% move up. On MicroStrategy and on Bitcoin, this is the same. From the bottom to this price action is 28%. So
Mhm.
look, I don't know, but it's interesting that if if they go from here, so from the bottom, let's say from here to the all-time highs, what 100? Let's say one. This is 100 for MicroStrategy, so this is 5x to the all-time highs, right?
Mhm.
And Bitcoin
Mhm.
from here to the all-time highs is just 100%. Not even, not even 100%.
Yeah,
So
it's a little under double. So MicroStrategy doubles, it's still not even halfway to its all-time highs, right? And if Bitcoin doubles, it's above its all-time highs. So
crypto,
I think
yeah.
I think we have to talk about, in order to understand MicroStrategy, you have to talk about their average price, right? And I think
Mm,
that might help a little bit because they were buying when Bitcoin was, 79,000, 90,000. They were buying when Bitcoin was 100,000. So
yeah,
they're down. Maybe when they get above their highest purchase, maybe it'll start to make sense.
yeah, maybe. But I'm looking now at Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D. Uh,
How's it look?
hmm?
Yeah, how's Bitcoin dominance looking?
Well, interesting. Like it's some kind of a bull flag on a weekly. Not even a
Mhm.
bull flag, but after the peak, it came down. It ranged. Now it's trying to go back up. Um, but I mean, market cipher money flow on Bitcoin dominance is not very relevant, but it's been right many times. Um,
Mhm.
I think this move down, like for Bitcoin, is not done yet. Then we have XRP. Oh, it's on its way to 10K. Oh, but weekly candle on XRP looks, oh my god. Okay. At
XRP
36%.
crypto.
Crazy. It went from
Okay,
99
well,
cents to
okay, we went from
1.3.
yeah, that $1 area is a big one. Okay, so XRP is telling a story that is very bearish if I'm looking at the chart. Because if I look at the XRP chart, I'm looking at it now, and I look at it on the weekly,
Yeah,
and I'm looking at it like I would look at like NQ or anything else.
yeah.
I'm saying, okay, we just jumped right to liquidity, right to the 200 EMA.
Mm,
It's at a perfect place to reject. Perfect place to reject. So if I'm doing crypto futures, I'm about to short the fuck out of XRP. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah.
Yeah, I might put my life savings on it. That's how serious it is. It's XRP looks beautiful for shorts right now. Um, but I mean, crypto's the area that can surprise you any day, right?
Oh
And when I
yeah,
look
any
at
hour,
Bitcoin,
any hour.
yeah, I don't see that on Bitcoin. So I'm looking at Bitcoin and it looks. Oh, I had my areas drawn over
Okay,
here. I
but
was doing
let's
some
let's
serious.
not let's not compare Bitcoin chart with XRP chart. Let's
Yeah, yeah. They're
let's
not
not
the
do
same,
that.
right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, okay, Bitcoin is kind of doing its own thing. It does look like consolidation, but Bitcoin looks like it's in a bear flag. So right now, Bitcoin's touching the 50 EMA on the weekly. Um, it does look like a bear flag. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't. It doesn't look like it's at the point in the bear flag where it drops. It looks like it's at the top of the flag though. So we could start to see. I don't think we're going to see like a straight down drop, but I think we're going to start to see consolidation, some sideways movement, and then a slow metering off. So yeah, I think I might be interested in some micro strategy puts with some time on. I
Puts,
think
puts.
we need like about a month for this to play out. I can't see, you know, it's actually a little more than that. I think we're gonna need till October for this to play out.
Yeah, usually I think we bottom out in October, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, this
Yeah, that's
was April. Yeah, but okay. I'm just looking now at Ethereum. Um, and where all these things that we just mentioned, like 30, 30, 25, 35% up. Ethereum went 50% from the bottom. And I think
Okay,
Ethereum
by the
has
way,
actually
finally,
the biggest potential of them all. Ethereum, maybe Solana. Solana from 90s back up to 300. It's more than 3x. That's nice. Ethereum, I really think Ethereum can hit like 7, 8K because this it did not it did actually perfect double top. If you take a look at the weekly, like with the high from 2021, he just took that high and it came all the way down of the range, and we are now pushing up from the bottom of that range. If it breaks out, I really think it could go like crazy. Uh, Definitely not a bad place to buy some Ethereum too.
yeah. Newsflash on NQ, we are pushing up to the 15-minute 90 MA. I am getting ready to short this thing.
Okay,
Um,
okay.
I have my conservative entry. Oh, here it comes. Here it
It's
comes. Okay.
joining you.
I don't even have to get aggressive. Okay, I'm in at 352. It's pushing up on me, trying to make this morning star, but it's an ugly morning star. It kind of looks like the hills have eyes, ugly. I don't think it's really gonna do its thing, right?
That's
So
very ugly.
I'm that's pretty ugly. So I'm actually gonna add to this short right about I want the 14 SMA, which
You
we
got it.
just did.
Yes.
Got it. All right, so yeah, I'm
I'm
adding
right
to
there
that
with you.
short.
I mean,
Yeah, yeah, I think this was good.
but we're
So
so close
now
to the
it could
80s. Check
oh
it.
yeah. I mean, worst case we go to the 80s, it'll stop me out. I'll try one more time. Um I'm risking profits. I mean, I just made like 400 on the trade, so I'm risking some of that right now. But I do like this. This is a pretty heavy trade for a 25K account. If it goes well, it's going to be the last trade I do
Let
on
me
this.
see what. Oh, 12 contracts. Okay, that's yeah.
Hmm.
That's
Yeah,
that's that's that's
I'm
impressive.
actually I'm gonna leave this alone. I'm going to another account. So, if it goes down, it goes down. If it hits me to stop, it hits me to stop. It's going to be the last trade I do on that account for the night, whatever it decides to do. But I am looking to get short on this account. Now, this is my account yesterday. It was about to be the last trade I could ever do on this account because it's like $76 from being blown, right? But yeah, it was $20 from being blown, so that's progress. So it's going pretty well though. It's going pretty well. Okay, now not so much.
Yeah.
We get the push. My stop on the other account is at 65. So we have
I had the same, but I put it at 80, 380.
smart. If we get to 80, I'm just gonna start fresh, getting a new trade on another
Mm-hmm.
account.
Mm-hmm.
But it's gonna make or break it. Y'all can really make my night right now if you just drop this thing like it's hot. And I think we want to. Because this where we're at now is like a liquidity area. Okay, I'm gonna open one contract on this account in the 60s. Can we get the 60s? There we go. Yeah, I missed like that. I don't like that. Let's try this again.
Oh, I wanted to put
Little
some music
profit.
on.
Yeah. What you got?
I go for chill music or some.
How you feeling? I'm down for whatever, bro. You the DJ.
The DJ. 90s chill lo-fi. Study music. Brain chill hop beats. Like 27 million views. Let's go with that.
Yeah, DJ Nick the Wick. Let's go. It's about to be lit. We fucking with Nick the Wick. Okay. Let's see what we got going on, man. Let me like the video, man. Let me like it. Hit the like button one time. Be our first like for the night. Okay, they're not playing. They pushing this thing a little bit. I like this area though, so I'm cool with going short at 60 flat. Testing my patience. That's enough for this account. What is this, 57? Okay, so let's do 55 now. Yeah, this is the account I round tripped yesterday where I was up $800 and went back to break even. So let's try and do it again. Except for the round trip part, let's just get up $800. All right, I'll do 9 contracts. That's the size I like to do.
It's bull flagging on 1 minute.
Ooh. Might be going to the 80. Yeah, because the bulls are resilient right here, so I see what you mean. It makes a lot of sense. But this is the area that I would expect people to start shorting some. We'll see.
Let's try to hear how this sounds now. I'm not sure if music is too loud or not.
But this is the area that... Let's see. Let's test it out. I don't think... Oh yeah, I hear it now. It's nice. It's like background noise.
Yeah. But make sure that you're not like echoing, because I have you on 2 audio inputs and music is only on 1. I have to separate those 2 somehow, but for now it's good.
Okay. No, I just wanted to check it. I'm gonna listen to it.
And stream is not lagging actually. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to our late night, early morning session, depending where you're at.
Yeah. That's right. It's a sweet vibe here in the Price of Patience trade room, the trading floor. Join us in these wonderful shorts, because it's about to go down. And if you just caught that last trade with us, you're about to cook. If there's one thing we're going to do on this channel, we're going to short that 14 SMA on the 15
every single time. Yes, sir.
Let me tell you, if you heard about one of our epic wins before, it was probably one of those.
Yeah. And we have our 1 a.m. candle approaching, like 2-3 minutes from here, like 2 minutes until the 1 a.m. candle. So
Excellent. I want blood. I want
double,
blood, son.
double. I want double.
The blood.
Double. Okay. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you say hello first of all. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. We're gonna cancel your premium YouTube subscription if you don't say hello.
Right, we're really cool with the owners of YouTube, and they take our trades, so you should too.
Okay. I
Not
don't like this.
advice.
Like 1 minute looks like potential fake out to the downside and push up. It's holding the EMA and SMA, right? Let's see, 2 minutes and 3 minutes, 5 minutes.
They faked me out because I thought we were about to. I was getting my fork out, ready
Look at
to
the
eat.
5 minutes. We are ready to eat. Yeah, we might eat with the spoon this time. Well, look, 1 hour also looks doesn't look bullish. But if it closes like this, do we have 30 seconds to close this 1 hour candle red? Or red. Badok. Come on, close it or red.
It's time for the sellers to prove whether or not they're about that life.
And look at this drop last 15 seconds. Come on.
Yeah, it's very telling.
Very, very telling. See if you're trading, what you're trading, guys, what you're looking at. Why are you trading what you're trading? If you're not trading, why are you not trading? What are you waiting for?
Yeah, what's your entry? Are you trading gold? Trading NQ? Are you trading options at 7:30 tomorrow because they opened up that early options trading thing? It's crazy.
That's a new feature.
New way to lose money unlocked.
Yeah, something like that.
I want to lose money at 7 p.m. in the morning. I'll just go to the casino. Oh, man. So this okay, so we just proved that we cannot close above the 14 SMA on the 15, and I love it. I'm deeply in love with it, actually. Okay. I'm just gonna let these accounts cook then, because I think the rest of the stream I'm just gonna be sitting here watching my short cook. It's about to go down.
Sounds good. Sounds more than good.
Yeah. Everything I could ask for. Okay, we're gonna have to stop doing this because we keep saying what's up to the top of these 50s and the bottom of these 50s. Okay, we're in a range. I would like to see us break out of the bottom of this range, not the top. I need price to be afraid of that 14 SMA. Like,
check the 1
afraid
hour.
of
Flip the 1 hour. So let's do you see what might happen in next hour? Because we just opened the new candle.
Oh no.
Yeah.
1 hour. Pretty bullish.
Right? Okay.
1 hour. It's pretty bullish. Yeah, I mean, if this thing, that thing goes, yeah, that thing goes up like that. Ouch. That's cool.
I am slightly in green here. I'm gonna close this. Even 15 minutes is giving me right now the nice trigger wave for the upside. Okay, slightly in red here. You know, I won't close it, but I will put my, what is it, 60 bucks. No, I'm closing it here. I'm out. I don't like it anymore. I liked it It looks like it's gonna push.
Oh, I just got stopped out.
There we
Ouch.
go.
I just got stopped out.
Yeah.
They just hit. Damn Q and Q. But I had two positions at 6 contracts each. So I got stopped out of one of them. And I'm just praying on the short little
I went long
doop
here.
doop.
I changed my bias quickly. This is the second trade of the evening, so I can do that. Nothing crazy. I'm
I want
aiming
to.
for
I want to join
400.
you, but
Well,
yeah, I just
400 we
don't. I
have
can't do nothing.
380 before that, but I think we might continue here.
See it. I see exactly what you're seeing. And I see why the buyers would be interested. Yeah. Okay, so that what okay. Yeah, it'd be right there. 358 was kind of the median. Okay, so we surpassed that. We're bullish. Well, okay. All right. I can't do anything long because of the counter positions rule, but I'm gonna behave, not blow all my accounts at once simultaneously.
Yeah, don't do that.
For now.
Do it one by one.
Exactly. One at a time, like a normal trader. Okay. Oh yeah, we're pushing. Goodness gracious, we're just pushing, aren't we? Okay. Where's my stop loss at? I don't know.
Oh yeah,
But we're about to find out if this keeps
you
up.
sure that your phone and everything is charged?
Today, it's so funny. I was talking to my friend on the phone before I got on, and I was like, man, my phone's been dying every time I go live on the stream. And yeah, I charged it. I was like, tonight, we're not going to have one of those moments where it's like, oh, his phone died.
Phone and everything.
Yeah, we juiced up. Okay.
Stream is lagging a little bit.
Is that right?
Why is the stream lagging? At least this lower text. That's interesting.
Yeah, it's like this thing lags whenever it wants to, bro. It's like, it doesn't listen to us, doesn't behave. It's crazy.
Okay. Have you got your refund from Apple? I just did.
No. Apple has not even replied to my email, bro.
But,
they have not replied to my email.
Did you go in the purchases and actually ask for the refund?
I canceled the subscription. Am I supposed to do more than that? I canceled the subscription the same day I made it.
Yeah, you have your.
And maybe not. Maybe that will stop them from charging me again. Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
I got the confirmation that they canceled it and they should refund in 4 days. So okay. But now, FYI, now I'm seeing some bear divs in 1 minute here. So are we again just title says it all, range bound range bound fantasies.
Yeah, still short, so I haven't done it yet. I'm gonna go long once my shorts get stopped out, but
You went short again.
I got 2 shorts left. So.
Okay.
No, it's my original. I took 3 different positions.
Okay.
2 6 contract positions and a single contract position. I'm still in 2 out of 3. So once I see that those get stopped out, I'll be willing to change my tune. But until then, it was a good trade. It was based on what I was seeing at the time. So I still believe. I still believe. I'm a believer. Okay. We can do this one. Yeah. Okay. All right, why not? Okay. Now I'm pretty sure one of my trades is green.
There you go. Bear divs playing out. Okay.
Let's see. This 15-minute candle. If this turns into a doji, the next one will be very time.
Yeah.
But if the next one's bullish after the doji, it could still do everything it looked like it was going to do, right? So we'll see. Oh, so many things. Now, if it closes red, that's really bad for the bulls. That's really bad for the bulls. Don't let this candle close red. If you're a bull, you better push this thing up at the last minute. You can save the market, but we'll see. Yep. Just nothing like watching these candles candle.
Nope. Nope.
No feeling in the world like watching a candle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like watching the paint dry, right?
Man, that might be a little different feeling, but I'd be up for it after this. Mm-hmm. Now, are people going to start putting money on paint drying? This could get.
We have to check the poly market, right? Yeah.
Yeah, right. Well, depends on. Looks like that dip was just another entry for the rip.
Yep, good. I did not get stopped, so good. Because 15 minutes is giving me your internet connection is unstable. Amazing. Shall I say no shit, Sherlock? Wait.
It's saying that about me.
Wait. No, mine. Let's see now. Stop streaming, auto, stop. Come on. Are we still live? Oh, it's lagging even more.
Are you on what are you on
I
hotspot or something, bro?
Yeah, I had to change my internet connection because. Okay, I think we are good now. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, let's go. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, let's go.
Rock, rocking and rolling.
Rock
Wow.
and rolling. Yeah, both. And everything that goes with it.
Is that legal?
Not necessarily.
Nah. Okay, we made it.
Okay, let
Nice.
me
That's
check.
what's
Okay, let
good.
me. Since I'm using this, I will remove everything from here because I'm using this device to give me internet connection. And let me check. Since we are still learning this streaming thing and settings, I want to check how does it look in 4K and if it's working.
We're gonna learn today. We'll learn today in 4K.
It's actually only 2160, doesn't show 4K. Okay, it's loading. Let's see, 2160. Okay, let's see. Well, yours. Oh, it doesn't look bad. I think it looks good. It is a little bit distorted. Let me change to my screen just for a moment. There we go. Yeah, but wait a minute. Why I don't hear you now at all when I switch to my screen? What? Wait a minute. Properties. Wait a minute. Okay, anyway, let me just check this quickly. Okay, it's much clearer. Yeah, it's distorted because of how we set it up, how I set it up. Okay, it's working. Yeah, well, distorted. But wait, now I'm talking to myself. Like if you watch at the. Oh my god, if you watch the stream, then you're not audio. No, it's add new audio input device. Audio. Yeah. Guys, your volumes are still up. I'm not sure. I mean, whenever I open the stream from any device, it sounds good. So I don't know really, Randall. I think it's on. This is your end.
I'm checking right now on the stream.
Okay,
I
now
don't
you
hear
should.
anything.
Oh, okay. You what? No, you what?
I don't hear anything on the stream. The volume's all the way up. Let me see. Hear anything on the stream? Settings, more settings, ambient mode, loop video, live broadcast.
Okay, now we have all the settings back. Now I can hear you. We can hear music and me. Okay. Oh, it's pushing. Oh, it's pushing. Let's go.
Oh yeah, I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out of all my positions now. There's the 80s we were looking for. Yeah, it took a while, but there we are. And boom, stopped the fuck out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, now we're back. Yeah, we got the ambient lo-fi. Oh yeah, I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out of all my positions. There's the 80s. Okay, yeah, because before that it was completely silent.
Yeah, because my volume here was completely like it got bamboozled or whatever. I don't know. It got effed up. But now I can even change the scenes and it's working.
Okay, cool. Since it's on you, I'm gonna check on Claude real quick. I may need to start a new session. Okay, the chase the desires in the shop that is not open yet. Measure the pain funnel. A request gathered in 3 sessions of play. Okay.
Yeah, Randall, please, like, what is like, because it's not volume is not low for you, Don, right?
For me, it's not. I was trying to see if maybe Randall's volume thing got
Hey, Randall,
resolved. Or...
like, you said you're watching on your phone or your laptop. Oh wow, 8 is rejected to the T, huh? 381 was the high. Back down to my entry.
Oh no. Yeah, that's where I wanted to get. That's where I wanted to get in at the 80s. Is it? But I think this might be a
Long
fake out.
entry. This might be the
Yeah,
long entry.
I just got in longs. I found. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wrong account. Wrong account. Wrong. Wrong account to go long. Fuck. I did 9 contracts and the account was 70. I just blew an account. Okay.
Hey,
Whoops. Whoops. It happens.
you
You
have
got
Rana
to be
say you
more
have
careful.
headphone. I'm just letting you know on my laptop volume is low. Well, yeah, I do have headphones now, but if I'm checking the stream, then I'm checking it without any headphones on other device. So if you're on laptop, try to see if on your YouTube screen, on the video screen below, the volume is maxed out. Try to check it, because if I put stream on iPad or on the phone, we are loud and clear. I think I'm even a little bit too loud.
Yeah, why are you yelling at me, bro?
Nah.
Yelling at me.
Why are you screaming?
What did new Randall do to you? Looking good. Okay, we got 5, 8. Good, good, good. Yeah. That's easy.
Okay, CPU from 40 to 50% with these stream settings. Okay.
Jeez, okay, going long at that that rejection was a great idea, technically, so far. I don't want to get my hopes up too quick because NQ can hear you getting your hopes up. She doesn't like that. She doesn't like that very much. Gotta be careful. That's a good idea. Okay. Farming fixes. Okay, what the fuck is that supposed to be? Okay, grade each victory, good, better, best. Deck editor must tell story, legal decks from casual ones, right? Words will eventually be monetized. The customers points in PvP and challenge mode. Okay. Story mode reads is too complex for a fifth grade reader. The preset should decide the profile. Picture should carry the basics, and select screen should be fun. It was measured. The reading level is too high. Okay, the campaign can be cleared by losing today in production defect. Really? Oh, we don't want that. The loss pays a flat loss consolidation early return before every turn. Let's go. Endorse rematch pays. Pretty dual loss. The threshold are 3, 5, 6, and 8. Total bite for bite within the situation field. Terminate points faucet behind. Design. Under 20 turns is unreachable. Under 20 turns, 0. Under 40, 0. Okay. Jeez. Increments on every seat flip. So 20 turns means 10 turns each. 20 turn counts.
What are we doing, bro? Oh, no. I'm about to blow my Blasky account. My trades were good, but daily lockouts killed me only to see my TP get hit after the lockout, so no more lockout. I hate this 55% consistency rule.
Tell me about it. Yeah, for me, I'm trying to design a product that people are gonna like, and I'm pretty good at doing this type of thing. But I just want people to enjoy this game so much that they lose track of time because their delivery will be on the way while they're playing it. So
you are setting the trap. Okay, but we rejected those 80s. Gee, am I about to get stuffed? What the heck?
Yeah. It's happening, bro. It's happening. It's coming back to this median area. The area where I originally went short. It's coming back there now. But I'm gonna stay long because of the 30-minute and the hourly like we looked at. So yeah, it hurts. It does hurt. This is just like, oh my gosh, it's really grinding my gears. NQ, what are we doing? Who told you to do this? Who put you up to this?
Yep. Interesting candles. Interesting candle movement. This week, this session was, this time of day was quite like choppy. I don't know what to say. Again, those candles that are telling you, okay, I'm stopped out. candles that tell you, yeah, we are going long, and then just it reverses it on you.
Oh my gosh. Ouch. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
that's three accounts that I'm not gonna be trading anytime soon. I'm just gonna relax on those. Okay, let me zoom out for a sec. Let me see what is my bias. What is my bias? Because something's wrong. I was long on wrong. I was wrong on longs and I was wrong on shorts. And I originally was saying short. Okay, we rejected the 80s. Are we going to the 20s? Where do we go from here?
Yeah, it's again chop 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 before it decides where it wants to go.
Is it? Is it? I think that I have a long bias, but I have a short bias too. It's really confusing. Let me see.
Schlong.
Why would we come back? Yeah. Oh, well. Pause. Yeah. Right. But man, let me see. There's there's a big volume at 3:30 that's wants price to come say hello. Um, and that's why I originally went short at 360,
Hello.
365.
Is it me
But
you're looking for? Oh,
um,
that goes like mango, pineapple, banana.
banana,
Oh my
pineapple.
god. Oh my god.
Man,
Okay, guys, I'll
we
be
got
right
him.
back, okay? I hope that's fine.
Got it. You got it. You
Good,
got it.
thank you.
Yep. Okay. Okay. I'm looking at potentially going. I really think longs are the answer, but we just rejected so hard. And there's everything I needed to see for shorts. Okay. Are we below? Let me ask myself. Are we below the 90 MA? Are we below? Let's see. Oh, we are now. Okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. Oh, I can't wait now. Are we 1 minute in on this thing? Fudge. Oh, we closed one candle above the 14. It's ugly right now. I'm not even lying. It's ugly right now. Okay. Y'all pulling us down here. So I can scalp 20 points. Yeah. Yeah, I see a 20-point scalp. Scalp shorts for 20 points, and then you can go long again. Maybe. It's possible. We do that one time. What's the big deal? Okay. I have a short bias and I'm gonna act on it. I'm gonna act on it. I'm not thinking about it. I'm just gonna act on it because it's a short bias. It makes sense, and I'm short. Mm. Mm. Oh my goodness! As soon as I decided it's time to go short, what do? We fucking pop up. Okay. So it's just the third L gonna tell me that this is Chop City and to just stay away because I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. It's not computing to me. It's not the math isn't mathing to me. I'm gonna have to not do it tonight because whoa. Oh, is that what's happening? Interesting. Wow. All right. 1.5 more points, and we are stopped out. We're pretty much there. It's gonna do it. There we go. You stopped me out. Okay. Yep, that's it. I don't think this is it's not gonna be my session.
Oh, guys, my apologies. What's up, man?
Is that the Los?
Yeah, bro. Sorry. I wanted to be in here for longer, but I just got busy with some stuff and but I'm back. If you guys are still gonna be here, I'll be here for a while.
Yeah, we got like 20 minutes. What you doing up so late? You off tomorrow?
Yeah. Here when we do 40 hours, we just do 4 10s, which is cool with me. I don't mind it at all. Yeah. So yeah, I'm off tomorrow.
Oh, Carlito, I'm back, guys. I'm sorry.
So wow, it's so dope to see the charts on the computer, man. Cause I have one of those wide screens, so from being on the phone to this. I haven't seen too many charts though, but I have not even looked at charts to be honest, guys.
Oh, I know you when you're on your desktop. We have to set it up. You have to share it with us.
Yeah, well, I'll have to. You guys will have to probably tell me how to get. I don't know how to do that very good.
Just share it on the Zoom, and I will figure it out.
Okay. Do I have to join Zoom on the computer? Should I
Yeah.
join it on the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys make a lot of money yet or what?
Not today.
I did,
Not
and
with
then
the chop
gave it
cash.
back. I made money and then I gave it back. It's pretty epic.
We love to do that.
Oh, I'm the best at it. You know.
I don't think you could beat me at that, bro.
You know, you might be right. You might be right, but I'm pretty close. If I'm not first place, then I'm close second because man,
Uh,
the way $500 can come and go on these charts is crazy.
Oh yeah, tell me about it.
Yeah,
Especially if you
Randall.
go like with 9, 12, 15, 35 contracts.
Wait, is the charts moving? I think my chart is frozen. Either chart's frozen or the price is real slow.
Real slow
I'm on a
right
50
now.
minute.
Yeah, price is just consolidating, catching people in the trick bag, and then popping. But I think it's bullish though because I've been wrong 3 times. And I can't afford to be wrong again. So I'm really just a spectator now. I mean, plus placing my bets on the sideline saying I told you so when it goes where I thought it was going to go after it took my money.
Well, let's see. It looks like we have a inverse head and shoulders kind of on a 1 minute time frame.
Mm.
What the chopping is, I guess I'll do a 1 minute.
Yeah. It's giving nostalgia, Nick. Look, I caught the only short of the session. Now we're about to pop off. Just like the old times. Just like old times.
Randall, so you guys are using Zoom.
Yeah, that might.
Yeah, OBS through OBS, but we talk through Zoom.
He's figured out our algorithm. Get him. There. It's going hard though, so I wonder where to do that. I could help out with that. Okay.
OBS, yes, OBS.
Oh, and look at that. Oh my goodness, bro. It's crazy work. You're killing me, Smalls. But if I didn't know any better, I'd go long here. Let's see what would happen if I did. I'm not going to because
can we check something? Carlos, can you say something please quickly?
Yeah, what's up?
Okay, we're good.
Oh, okay.
Just checking if...
I thought you said if I could check something.
Yeah, I was checking if audio input is registering you. Oh, all good. Thank you.
I'm gonna attempt to also wake up early tomorrow so I can hop on with the red E and trade options for the first time and a good while.
Yeah, I haven't done it also like for weeks.
Options.
What are your options? You can go long or you can go short.
Oh wow, that's not good.
Yeah, they got me.
I try to make my payments from my trading account, but I don't think they take Discover. I have Capital One and it's Discover. They switched their cards to like Discover instead of I think it was MasterCard before. And I have that issue with a lot of places. They don't take Discover. And I don't have my Chase card right here right now, man. I haven't got my account either. I'm gonna end up going with that daily Lucid daily 50K. And hey, did you guys see Take Profit Trader shorten
50% off?
Yeah, it's 50% off, and then they shorten their days to like instead of 5 days, 3 days.
That's a big deal for me because I usually pass my evals in
I
2
know
days.
that's why I'm mentioning it because I've always heard you that.
Yeah, I'll pass a take profit trader eval in 2 days and then just be doing anything on the last 3 days.
Mm. Well, there you go. They did that specifically for you, Donovan.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You know, but I got these 4 Apex accounts. And I'm just trying to do my thing with these right now.
So how many payouts did we get already, guys?
$1 million and minus $1 million.
Man.
Getting there. Well, Randall says not that. I'm not sure what you're trying to say. My system suggestions I can share. Yeah, share. Feel free to share. Of course, always. I'm not even only sure if you mean, do you mean like for trading or for streaming?
It's trying to fix something. Okay. What in the world just happened? Okay.
There we go. There we go. I can't even remember how to freaking log into my account on the computer, bro. What the heck? Where is it at? Shit at? Oh. There we go.
Interesting. The consolidation's getting even tighter now.
It says it keeps me out of trades more than in. It shows me when to long or shorter to stay out. Like right now it is neutral to a short bias, but this is Asia and volumes are low, so I stay out until I get a clear signal. And
Well, that's the helm.
smart.
Go.
Yeah, I just got burned. Got burned on 3 trades going nowhere. But
Dang.
it looks like we're going up. It's just you got to find the right place to go long. Because we did that ugly duckling morning star thing going on. So I'll take it. Well, I hope you're in shorts because I'm about to do some push-ups.
Let's go. I'm gonna join you. Let's go. What, 20 bomb, 30 bomb? Which?
Man, I'll join you guys too. So I can do push-ups too.
Let's go. 20 bomb at least, 30 bomb. Let's go. I'll be back. Okay, maybe I can do it. I can do it with the
6, 7, 8, 9.
Bro, you're fine.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 2, 5. $51.
Bro.
Yeah. See, you guys pushed me to do better, guys. I hadn't done push-ups in like 4 minutes. Woo. My charger. Checking a bit.
I already did.
Bro. Randall is laughing.
Randall's laughing. I be too, man. What the fuck are you guys doing?
Drink coffee or have a whiskey. Yeah. I'm on a coffee right now. Whiskey. No more whiskey for me. I had enough whiskey in my life.
I haven't had a drink in about 3 years.
Well,
About
nice.
3.
I'm in the closet.
Oh, thank you.
No, actually, it's been like 7 years.
Wow.
I haven't smoked weed in 3 years.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
That's the rule.
Well, me almost.
What?
Yeah, almost. I have a drink occasionally. Why not? But no whiskey. No whiskey.
Nothing wrong with it.
Randall,
Nothing wrong.
hai provato la grappa italiana, grappa istriana. That's the best. Like
Grappa?
schnapps. Grappa.
Not sure what that is.
Like a strong spirit, like you make it out of grapes, or plum, or pear, or whatever, but strong alcoholic drink, like 40-50%.
I'm about to try that. I never.
Oh yeah.
Maybe my wife will know.
You have to come here to
Like
try.
that.
It's like here
Oh.
in these areas, it's like tequila in Mexico, you know.
Okay, well, I got you. You say it's called grappa?
Grappa.
Italiano.
Italiano, yeah.
Go on, go to sleep. Yeah.
Handle, yeah, beer or wine, yeah. Coffee and grappa for morning is the best, huh? And one cigarette, and and you're ready to start the day. Yeah, I speak a little bit of Italian, yeah.
I didn't zoomed out. The later time frames look like we're bear flagging.
Well, what do you mean? 2 hours, 4 hours? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the one I just zoomed out to.
Well, 1 hour.
Pretty nice.
Right now, yes,
Wolf.
but
I mean bear flag. Sorry.
we were looking earlier
And-
at this one like time frames, and we said generally we might go up. Immediate
Yeah.
short term we might come down based on market cipher. But right now it seems that it will take its time.
Yeah, I think it's probably gonna come down. I have the next level. No, not the next level from here. Actually, let me cancel this. Hold on. Yeah, I do. Then my next level from here, it's 448 to the upside. I mean, yeah, 29 448. So, and that is, I actually have a level there, and the 200 EMA is sitting at 442. So it's only 6 points below
Okay.
my level, which that confluence. What was the rate?
Confluence.
Confluence?
Yeah.
It's been too long. And then that could possibly be. That's also another thing. That's also, I do have a trend line here drawn out. I don't know from where, but that would also be the top of the trend line.
You know what?
Ever since we started downtrend.
Yeah.
That 3 confluence right there.
And Randall said my system is something for a long entry, but not yet. I went in. Previous 1 hour candle bounced from the 14 SMA. This one is holding the 9 EMA. I gave it a shot. Stop loss below the last 1 hour candle low. Target 455. 100 points from here. And you said you have 440. Let's put it to 440. 435. Here we go. 435. Let's see.
But I had Zoom downloaded onto my computer. I guess I don't.
Let's see.
What I'm looking at, but I don't think I have the app downloaded here. I have to sign into. I have to get onto the computer, right, to be able to share.
Yeah. And then you have to find the link, and you have to go to.
Oh, I do have it. Never mind. Here it is.
Analyzing. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I'm long at 29,345.
345. Okay.
We'll see how it goes. And I'm not supposed to be trading anymore. I already lost enough trades, but I just felt like this one might be a good one.
Felt like we could give a little bit more back. So good.
Exactly, right? Yeah. I told you I'm the best.
Okay. But what do you guys say? It's time to call the stream. Keep the grind. A little bit of coding. And close the week, or you are willing to go further?
Well, me, I'm willing to go further if you guys want to. No, I'm cool with whatever you guys want.
We got a special guest, man. I could do 15, 30 minutes. I still got working out to do.
Okay.
And I'm at home. So.
Fair enough. Let's go then. I can hear Carlos very well. Perfect. You guys are low. Sorry for my typing error. My keyboard is so sensitive. No worries. We are not that sensitive. Well, I don't know. How are we so low and Carlos is good? I mean, yeah.
On the same Zoom, so
On
I don't
the same
know
everything, yeah. Okay, guys. Then since we are going further, I mean, you have your chart is on. The Donovan. Let me check if he did not. Okay, I just have to leave you for a few minutes and I'll be right back.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, not much for me to do. I'm already in a trade, so I'm just sitting here watching it.
Same.
You know. Meanwhile, I'm playing a game on my tablet and doing push-ups and sit-ups. Trying to prove to people that I don't need a gym membership to stay in shape.
There you go. One of my buddies I used to work with, actually, he's freaking really fit, bro. And all he does is this push-ups, and then, well, he does have he says he has a few dumbbells at home, and he'll kind of do dumbbells and stuff. But he does like a lot of push-ups, all different type of push-ups and sit-ups, and yeah, that's all he does.
I just do calisthenics, bro. Do calisthenics at home. You'll be all right. You'll be okay. Oh, look at that push. It's fine. It's good to finally be on the right side of a trade. I'll tell you that.
Wait,
Yeah. Not in anything, man. I was looking at the Zoom thing.
Yeah. What the entire fuck just happened?
Oh, nice.
I just leveled
Pushed
up.
it nicely, bro.
Yes, it is. Are you on long sit? Oh yeah, I mean you're
Mm,
getting
no,
you
I
got.
was looking at this freaking Zoom thing when you called out that thing, and
Oh yeah.
I didn't look at anything.
I mean,
We have some freaking well, it's a inverse head and shoulders. You could see it on a 5 minute or any time frame, man, below the 5 minute. And this is kind of that where the 200 EMA is the breakout of that inverse head and shoulders.
yeah, if we can break above that and get a closing candle above that, then that's
Mhm.
to go.
So it looks like, yeah.
Nick was calling this hourly candle to be that one, so we're
Uh,
1 minute away from the close, and boom, we just did it.
oh wow, it just closed, yeah. Oof. Oh wow, it touched it. I just went back to the 5 minute. It touched that 567 perfectly, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, the Bulls are in the building.
Oh, that's a bearish candle on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. I see so far, right? But it's the opening, so it could still change. Let's see.
Yeah, but this also could be we're above on the 1 minute. We're above the 200, so there's almost I like that to be an entry for longs. Oh,
Yeah,
that would be a perfect. Look at that.
see that push?
I'm gonna hop in, bro. If it touches that 200 again. Let's see. My first trade of from like I don't know how long.
1 billion years. Hop up in here, bruh. The water's fine.
Yeah. No, two contracts to start off. See how it goes.
Right? Something slight.
Man, they didn't get me in, bro. 2 ticks away. Damn. Look at that.
That's crazy. That's crazy they played you like that. Come on, don't do that.
Yeah.
Ain't no fun if the homies can't get none. That's
That's what I'm
crazy.
saying, right? Alright, fucking shit. I'm gonna fucking have an entry, aggressive entry here. Let's see. Come on, bring me down a little bit. Damn, again, it popped, bro. And I had just bumped up my things to 5 contracts. Fuck.
Damn, and she just took off on us right before you
Oh,
could.
she did take off. Fuck.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, fuck. I brought up my entry a little bit. And I am in now. Not the best entry at all, but you're still in yours, right?
Oh yeah, I'm still in.
All right, let's see if we can get a 5 minute close above this. This 567. I mean, I don't know why I don't have a level there. That seems to be a level right there too. Well, 376. I see. I don't have that marked out though.
Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see. What will we do?
Let it go all the way to 448.
Oh man, don't threaten me with a good time.
All right.
100 points. 100.
Why not, man? Let's get it.
Go for that. I could go for that for sure. 100 points. Threaten me with a
Okay.
good time.
Four hours. Let's see. Oh, Okay, we just had the new 4-hour candle at 11. Yeah. Okay, that's Confluence. That's another one. 4-hourly 200 EMA is also. Oh no, actually, I think that's where I was looking at earlier. 200 EMA is at 441 on the 4-hour time frame. Damn.
All right, guys.
We can't lose this 200 EMA again. Come on.
Yeah, it's look.
Oh,
London
man.
opens in an hour. We might just chop around until then too. It'll be the first time that we see that. So
Thank you's trying to give me my welcome back. My first trade. Trying to give me that big ass L again.
Yeah, but and you decide to come back on Friday. I mean, that's also, you know.
I know.
My first target is at 387. So
387. Okay, I'm in the green now.
First one.
387. Okay. Once we're there, I will move my freaking stop. I ain't gonna give thank you shit back today.
Oh, that reminds me, bro. I pulled a Carlos yesterday. Yeah, and I said it. Remember, Nick, I pulled a Carlos because, man, I caught the perfect short, but I did like a reverse Carlos, so that's what I called it, a reverse Carlos, because I took my take profit, and I was like, I don't want to leave my take profit at 75 points, which, by the way, it eventually hit 75 points. But I was like, nah, let me move my take profit up. And as soon as I moved it up, price jumped down and hit my take profit. And it was great, but it was like 20 points off from where I wanted it to be. So I took profit way, way early.
Yeah, they'll see. But then if you wouldn't have done that, well, I mean, at least a lot of the times what fucking happened to me, I don't do it, and then it doesn't freaking hit, and I just lose all my gains. So it's like, what the fuck, you know?
Yeah, no, I get it. I mean, you can't complain about I'm actually on top of those profits today, and it's, leading me towards, potentially passing this account. So I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. I might
Well,
pull
you cut these longs since the bottom, so you're nicely up, right?
Oh yeah, I'm up. Let me see how many points.
Come on, go pop up, baby.
25 points so far. So if I get $1,000 on this trade, I got a funded account. So
I don't know how many points I'm up, but I'm only up 6 points, $50, 60.
Oh, yeah, you
I got 5 contracts, so fuck it. Go hard to go home on the first one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, why not? The outcome is income. Okay, how's our thing going here?
Yeah, you notice it's struggling at 567 still.
At fucking 200, bro. Are we not done yet? You might wait until 3 o'clock to take off. Yesterday it did, but I don't know.
Damn, good thing I moved my stop and profit, bro. I'm out of there. Only got out with like freaking $25. Oh, yeah.
The outcome is income, though.
Yes, sir.
Oh, she pushing. I want that 80. I'll take that 80 pop and dip. I'll take the 80 pop and be good. Let me just get the 80 pop real quick. So, yeah,
He's gonna give it to you because it took me out already. He just didn't want to go with me.
For today on this blue ski account 150, but I can only make max 220. That's not bad, Randall. That's not bad. And what
Not
is the
bad.
minimum? What's the minimum you need to make? That's the question. Well, you're not in the trade, so let me put my screen on. I'm still in a trade here. I can monitor that. If it wants to go up, my bad, guys. Okay, there we go. We just check. We still have music on. We have everything. I enjoy this. It's easier with music. But you guys don't hear the music, right?
No.
Yeah, I don't know how we can fix that.
Interesting. I'm playing this game that's based off of this anime, and the game is like a continuation of the anime, which is crazy. I think I'm like watching what would happen in season 3 right now, and it's not even out yet, which is crazy. I'm loving it right now. I'm a kid in the candy store. Meanwhile, Claude is working hard on my app.
Oh yeah, I just started.
Oh wow, hey bro, I think this thing's about to go.
Yep.
Yeah, because I don't. Oh, actually, never mind. I was gonna say we got a 5-minute close above it, but no, we didn't. We've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 closes above that 200, and it stops at first 378, and then that one that you called 380, what 381 or what was it you called 387?
387, yeah. So look at the 15-minute. You'll see a inverse head and shoulders. We're making it right now, right? And then the top of the shoulder is going to be the high of the session.
So from there, we'll actually get to that 448 then. Yeah, nasty. Corre, restroom, corre.
Interesting. Okay. There we go. Let it do its thing. Just pushing. All right, here we go with these 80s again. I'm not really excited about revisiting the 80s because, oof, It's giving me flashbacks. But if you look at the last 3 15-minute candles, it's just nothing but love for the bulls anyway.
Yeah.
It's like a Bulls fan swap meet right now.
Barcoding. Now I understand what you're saying, Randall. Yeah, barcoding looks like a barcode. Yeah, now it got to me. Okay, I'm a little bit slow.
Yeah. Barcoding. I've heard someone else describe charts like that. Rob says that all the time. We're killing them.
Okay, everything is running smooth, but with these settings that I changed yesterday on OBS, computer is getting hot. Warm, hot, almost hot. To explore that. Good morning, good evening, everyone. I don't know if it's early morning or the day is just getting started for you, or it's very late in the night and you are just like scrolling on YouTube, but welcome. We won't be here for too much longer or too long still. I don't know how to say it. I'm very sorry. It's been a choppy session. For the end of the week, we were hoping to close this week with a bang, upside or downside, but as our friend Randall says, we've been barcoding here. Vibe coding and barcoding.
At the same time.
At the same time, yes sir. We have so I still have a small long. I lost today like $300. Know that I'm doing paper trading right now. No funded accounts, no live accounts, just a paper trading last 2 days for me to reset my mindset and just to get used to the market condition, because I got wrecked on Tuesday and Wednesday. So yeah, started with 5k yesterday. We are at 74.80. We were at 76, so I lost like $200. Now we are back. So let's see. Yesterday I made over 50%, which is crazy. It feels good, but it feels, useless. This paper trading, I don't like paper trading when I already know how to trade and when I know the system and everything else. If you're testing the new system, if you're learning, if you're practicing, then yes, of course, why not? You don't want to risk it. At the moment, it feels for me like I'm doing the effort, but without the reward. That might be just the feeling, right? Let's see how it's gonna transfer to the live account.
That's what's important.
System biased short, Randall says. Well, I'm gonna keep this long. If it plays out good, if I get stopped, also good.
Went long here. Sorry.
I'm
Sorry,
long for
Richard.
352, yeah. I'm long from 352. Stop is at 320. Market structure wise, that's smart. We had a nice trigger wave on 5 minutes. 15 minutes gave us the same trigger wave, even lower. We comfortably could have gone long from 330, 340, but okay. We had the push up retest, then I went long. I would like to see continuation. 30 minutes still looking good. Like money flow gave us nice bull divs, right? Like lower low in the price section, money flow, higher lows, momentum wave, higher lows. Here at the bottom again, bull divs on the momentum wave. Let's see. 1 hour is looking promising, very nice. Picture perfect curvature on the money flow, bull divs in 1 hour. 4 hours we're still like lila, like doesn't want to be clear for some reason. We have 9 EMA above us, 14 SMA above us, so we might see a push and then potentially a rejection. It's Friday, who knows? No news today. Let me just confirm if we have something next week. Today, Saturday, Sunday, nothing, of course. Then what do we have? Monday, nothing. Tuesday, consumer confidence, nothing. Then we have PCE, prelim, GDP on Tuesday. Is it Tuesday or we already? No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's PCE at 2:30. 1 hour.
Okay, all
1 hour.
right.
1 hour.
Ooh, thank you.
I'm taking profit right there. I'm out.
Oh, let's go. It's
Are you?
You guys
pushing.
can have it.
Okay.
That was a
Alright,
beautiful push.
You did
Friday.
profit. I move my stop in profit, and I'm out too. Thank you.
Okay. For next
Yeah.
week, guys,
Yeah.
Wednesday and Friday, we're gonna have some news. But okay, that doesn't matter. We're gonna talk about it next week. Let
And
me
here we
go.
go
Let me
again.
go back to 5 minutes. What's happening here? Are we pushing?
We are pushing,
We are.
but we're coming up against major resistance, the top of the flag, but also
Yeah.
the top of the inverse head and shoulders. So we could break out, push
This
all the way
is-
to 929.4. Yeah.
I'm looking for 440.
What's that, bro?
Like, let's push. I will put it 334, 434, but like.
Boom.
Okay, guys. I think we're gonna call it before we break out or get stuff.
That's cool. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna tell
Yeah.
you what happened on Monday.
That's it. Yeah.
Actually, Tuesday.
Take profit while you can. You never know. When you're trading consolidation, I mean, trading the breakout is a pretty high risk. You better catch the bottom of the flag. So we kind of did. I'm happy about it. Made some money.
Yeah.
That's what we came here to do. We did it. So, hey, we appreciate y'all for coming out, man. Thank y'all for tuning into The Price of Patience once again. Come check us out again next week. If you do not have a trading community, make sure you think about joining the Red E, man. If you just need some education, if you need to trade with beginner traders, intermediate traders, experienced traders, you can find it all at the Red E at the link in the description below. And if you aren't really into that yet, you just want to keep checking out the streams, if that's something you want to do, absolutely fine. Hit the subscribe button. Check us out every day, Monday through Thursday, Monday through Thursday, kind of, at midnight to 2 a.m. Eastern time, right?
Yeah.
Right. And then, yeah.
I'm sorry. Or Tuesday to Friday,
right.
6 a.m. Central European.
Yeah. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. All right, bet. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. So, depending on where you're at, tune in with us for sure. Hit that like button if you already haven't. Hope you already subscribed. And we'll see y'all next week. What else do we got to tell them?
Yes, sir. Carlos, you want to say it?
No,
Since
man.
you're here?
Glad to be, can't say completely fully glad to be back, but I was happy to be here with you guys for a little bit, and I'm gonna tune in every time I can, and every chance I get, I'm gonna try to figure out a schedule so I can hop in here with you guys, even if it's for an hour or so, and yeah,
perfect.
Make some money.
Nice to have you again.
Thanks, man.
Definitely was, bro. Definitely was.
Remember, guys, Price of patience is always less than the price of regret. Stay blessed. Have a nice weekend. See you back on Tuesday morning. Peace.
Peace.
Oh.